Class, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to provide a solution to this long reading question on the board. And the questions say we are asked to evaluate 1 plus log s squared minus 4s minus 16 to the base of 2 is equal to log s squared minus 3s plus 4 to the base of 2. This is a logarithm question. So solution. So the question we are asked to evaluate is 1 plus log s squared minus 4s minus 16 to the base of 2, which equal to log of s squared minus 3s plus 4 to the base of 2. If you look at this question very well, each term of this question, the first term is 1 is constant, it's not in logarithm. The second term is logarithm, and if you go to the right side, the is in logarithm. So before we can continue to solve this question, we are going to make sure every term should be in logarithm to the base of 2, because this one is in logarithm to the base of 2, this is logarithm to the base of 2, but this one is constant. So our mission now, I'm going to make sure we change this one to be in logarithm form before we can continue. And remember, a logarithm of a number to its base is equal to 1. What I mean is, like maybe you have a log of 10 to base 10 is equal to 1. Log of 7 to base 7 is equal to 1. A logarithm of a number to its base is equal to 1. So I can say log of 2 to base 2 is equal to 1. So I'll change this one to logarithm of 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. So plus log of s squared minus 4s minus 16 to the base of 2, then equal to log of s squared minus 3s plus 4 to the base of 2. So every term now is a logarithm to the base of 2. So this right hand side, we have the logarithm of 2 to the base of 2, log s squared minus 4s minus 16 to the base of 2. So logarithm to the base of 2 is in this first time and in the second one. So we have to write only log of 2 into the bracket of this one, s squared minus 4s minus 16 to the base of 2, which is equal to this right hand side. You leave it like this as logarithm to the base of 2, s squared minus 3s plus 4. So from here now, since the first one is in logarithm and the second one is all the term, both the left hand side and the right hand side is a logarithm to the base of 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to take the RT long of the both sides to the base of 2, because both they are in logarithm to the base of 2. So if we take the RT log of the whole thing, then this logarithm anti-logarithm to the base 2 now, then that means this log to base 2, it will cancel. So we are going to left with this here. So after taking the log, so what will remain now is 2s squared minus 4s minus 16 equal to, this will also go, because if you take the antilog of log to the base of 2, it will cancel. What left here is now s squared minus 3s plus 4. So from here now I can open this bracket, have 2s squared here, 2 multiplied by s squared, I'll have a 2s squared minus 2 multiplied by 4, we have 8s, then 2 multiplied by minus 16, I'll have a 32 minus 32, which is equal to s squared minus 3s plus 4. So from here now, I need to rearrange this equation. We have 2s here and we have two s square here, and we have another s square here, and this is going to cross to meet this is going to cross this equality sign to change to is change from positive to negative. We have negative s square here. So what we are left with here, we have minus 8s here, and there's 3s here. This 3 minus 3s is going to cross this equality sign, it will change to positive 3. So uh, we are left with the constant with minus 32. Minus 32, and this is positive 4. This positive is going to cross this equality sign, it will change to negative 4. We have successfully collected the like term. So we can write further to express this. You have 2s squared minus s squared. This s squared represents 1s squared, and this is 2s squared. If you take away 1s squared from 2s squared, it will remain only 1s squared. Then this is minus 8 and minus 3s. Sorry, 3s here. Minus 8 plus 3s. That means you have 3, and this is a minus 8. So what left in is going to we are going to have negative negative 5 negative 5s. Then minus 3 minus 32 minus 4 minus 4, it will give negative 36. So we have gradually reduced this thing. And if you have s squared minus 5s minus 36, this is a quadratic equation. So we can equate it to 0. So after equate it to 0, from here now you can use, we have many methods of solving quadratic equation, but I'm going to teach you very shortly to look for the value of our uh, to solve for the value of our s here. So the trick is this is quadratic equation. The trick is you open two brackets and you equate it to 0. This is s squared and this is s. We'll write s here, write another s here. So what you do now, you think of two number. If you add them together, you have 5. Then if you multiply them, if you add them together, you have negative 5. Then if you multiply them together, you have a negative 36. Then you think of that two number. So, and of course, the number is going to be negative 9 and 5 and 5, yes, negative 9 and 5, because if you say negative 9 plus 5, it will be negative 9 plus 4 rather, and 4, because if you say negative 9 plus 4, it will give me negative 5. Then negative 5 multiplied by 4, then it will give me 36. Yes, the right number to use negative 9 and 4. So in this place here, I can put the first one, which is negative 9, and the second one is positive 4. I'll put it in the bracket. So this is the step here. So from here now, if you have any two bracket, and it's multiply and it's equivalent to 0, that means if two brackets are multiplied to 0, that means it's either one of the bracket is 0 or both is 0. So I can say s minus 9 equal to 0, or both is equal to 0. S plus 4 will be equal to 0. So from here now, I can make s the subject of the formula, and is equal to this negative 9 is going to cross this sign, it will change to positive to be 9, or s equal to positive will change to negative 4. So therefore, and this, remember, this s, the first s is 9, and this second one is negative 4. So therefore, my s equal to 9. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to invite your friends to my page, follow my Facebook page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.